and welcome to the sew-along. I'm not sure if I can call it a sew-along since we won't be sewing anything, but I'm gonna walk you through all of these sewing changes for this fabulous variation of the Lawren Bodysuit, featuring some of that, oh my goodness, that gorgeous swan lace. So this is a kit that came out and minor changes to the Lawren Bodysuit, but enough that I think that it warrants a video tutorial. So again, I'm gonna walk you through the super simple pattern alterations. There are just two, and then quickly walk you through the construction of it. First, let's start off with pattern changes. I know that sewists get the heebie-jeebies when the word pattern alterations comes up. They're like, oh my goodness, pattern alterations, don't know how to do that, don't even want to go there. So first thing that I want to call out is that for the front piece, boom, this piece right here, I am not using the center front panel, but I'm using the bodice lace overlay as my pattern piece. And then my side front bodice panel. Now, this is just a non-stretch lace. The Lawren Bodysuit, as is, was drafted for a stretch fabric. So if you're using a non-stretch fabric, especially vertically, it will reduce the length. So when you put it on, it's just gonna be way too short. So the one pattern alteration is to increase the length of the bodice to accommodate for a non-stretch fabric. I am using blue painter's tape to show you that I cut across the pattern pieces, use masking tape, blue painter's tape, masking tape, whatever you want to call it, and increase the length through the armhole as well as through the midsection so that the length is added evenly between the upper torso as well as like the midsection. The only pattern alteration. Now, because you added the pattern, because you increase the length of the pattern here, you want to check and make sure that the back piece matches at the side seam. Boom. If it doesn't, then you'll have to make adjustments to that. Now let's quickly walk through the sewing of this variation. So we use just one layer of the swan lace for that center front piece. We angled the lace through the side bodice, and you can really get creative. You can have it start here, you can have it start higher up, wherever you want, and you can have it stop here. And then this side bodice piece is lined with stretch mesh. The front panty is this printed lycra lined with stretch mesh. The back bodice, just one layer of mesh, and the back panty is the printed lycra with the stretch mesh. The leg openings, as well as the armholes and the back neckline, are finished with a decorative picot panty elastic. And then a wide waistband, which adds a little bit more length to the body of the bodysuit, which helps with getting the length right. We did not add a snap closure since there's a pretty big opening to get it on and off. Thanks for watching. Please let me know what you think about this gorgeous, at least in my opinion, swan Lawren bodysuit variation in the comments.